I want to show you how the sliding adjustable Add-a-bead necklace works. You can adjust by sliding along this silicone bead to the millimeter of length that you actually want. And the best part is, when you take it out like this, you can add more beads. Ideally, the hole of the bead needs to be at least 1.2 millimeters, and you can add as many as you'd like. And then all you have to do is thread it back like this. And that bead there is filled with silicone. I don't know if you can see it. See? And what it does is it grips onto the chain. All you have to do is thread like this and slide along, and it's grippy, so it stays like this. It also has a spring ring clasp that opens like this, so you can wrap it around your wrist 3 times like I have done here and make it into a bracelet and shift the beads around. And if you want to, you can make it a little longer by adding extension chain in between like this. The possibilities are endless with this chain.